quickly Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation, the giver of life, so that you can join me at the upcoming workshop where I'll tell you all about the Surya Namaskar, so that we can meet at the Equinox on the 20th of March for 108 of those rounds as a great celebration, life celebration for the sun, the giver of life. So hop on your mat. So this is an amazing practice that gives good energy and gets all the systems in the body working, the different glands and systems of the body come to work very harmoniously. The sun gives energy, life, and this is why we celebrate, because without the sun there is nothing. So very important, we connect to nature cycles, the bigger cycles which influence the smaller cycles that are within us. We also have some bigger cycles here maybe, but first it's important to connect with nature in which we live, because it does affect us, and then we can start to recognize a bit more in this body that we inhabit, what's happening. So in the workshop I'll go through all the different asanas, the different postures that you've just seen, so that you can do it safely, because we go for 108, that's almost about an hour, not in the workshop, just in the event at the Equinox, 20th of March. The workshop will be before that, 2 days before, and we'll also go through all the energetics, the chakras in the body that are worked with, the breath, very important, the breath, different asanas, the postures, and I'll go a little bit more in depth into all the goodness that this practice brings. Very therapeutic, very good for stress and anxiety. Again, all the systems of the body, especially the nervous system, immune system, right, to shed some extra unwanted material. So just stay tuned, go on Facebook, go on different YouTube and Instagram and all this stuff where I advertise. Don't hesitate to send me a message, and you can go and click on moments. If you're not sure, you go on my YouTube, you'll find some links towards through my link tree, whatever that's called, you know, just the stuff. If you can't find it, just message me, don't hesitate to message me, and I'll see you shortly for these great events.